Hey guys, this is Do-It-Yourself Jim, one of the owners of Oddball Studio. Today I'm going to put together, if there's much assembly at all, this Bauer 9-inch bandsaw. They're fairly cheap. If you're not doing a ton of stuff, I've heard they're really good. I'm going to set it up, cut it, and we'll see what happens. So I don't know if I'm going to show me cutting out the box. You probably don't need to see that. But if there's any setting up and stuff, that's what I'm going to do a lot of, is showing all of the stuff that's important. Thanks. Okay, so when you get this out, there's you're going to put the blade on through there, but there's a little nut right here. So you're going to take that off real quick. You'll put it back on, but take it off to get it on. Make sure that you don't lose the lock washer and the washer. Let's go put that down real quick. It comes out. And this just slides on here. Oh, before I do it, look back here. There's this thing right here. It's a hilt knob. It's going to go right here because that's what turns the table, this little part right here. So I'm just going to slide that in. And we'll tighten that on in a minute, but I just wanted to show you that part there. And now that's working. Okay, so in this whole thing, the bag came with some Allen wrenches, came with these two lock knobs. So to secure that table, you get these lock knobs. There's a washer you put on, and then down in here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it from that angle. I might have to come over the camera. There's two holes. There's one right here. Yep, and then one up here. So there's two knobs, and that's where I got to put these in. So let me do that. So I'm just screwing those in. I'm not going Hercules tight because I'm going to make sure I got it set where I want it. And yep. That should be at 0. Yep. I'm not going to go too hard on them because I don't want to destroy anything. Alright, but anyway, there's that part. Now we're going to do the adjustment for the blade. There's an Alex Snodgrass. He's got some kind of channel.